Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss another session of special function. In the last 4 to 3 lectures, we have seen what is legendary polynomial, right? Legendary polynomial, and also we have seen it is the solution of legendary differential equation, and based on the Rodigree formula, generating function and also using recurrence relations we can derive these values of p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x and so on. So we have find these all values in the previous lectures. So I am recommending to watch those videos before coming to this session. These values are very important as we consider examination point of view. Then these values are very important. Sometimes you are asked to find p2 dash of x minus p1 dash of x, or they will ask to find p12 of 1, p dash of 12 of 1. To calculate this all, we have seen different formulas. Okay, how we will calculate this? Okay, so p dash n of 1, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So you may directly write, you can substitute this n is equal to 12 here, and we have seen different recurrence relations to calculate the derivative and all. Okay, so that all keep in your mind, and today we can represent these all functions on graphically. Okay, how can we represent these functions graphically? Okay, so before coming to that, so let us see what is the nature of different polynomial. This p0 of x is a constant, right? So if you draw a number line, it is a straight line parallel to x-axis as it is a constant. So here it is 1. Okay, so here I am representing pn of x, and here I am representing this x value. Okay, so now what is p1 of x? Okay, what is p1 of x? That is equal to x. p1 of x is equal to x means it is a straight line, right? Then p1 of 0, that is 0, means it is a straight line passing through the origin, right? X is equal to y equation. Okay, and what about this? This is p2 of x. It is a quadratic formula, right? Not quadratic formula, it is a second degree polynomial. Second degree polynomial graph is usually a parabola, right? But origin is different from the origin of this coordinate system. So you may have a parabola that is based on this equation. Okay, because it will intersect when x is equal to 0, this intersected to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this will intersect at minus 1 by 2. Suppose here it is the minus 1 by 2, and this it is 0 when x is equal to 0. This p3 of x is equal to 0. So it is a cubic polynomial. So somewhat its equation, its graph is some like this, the cubic polynomial graph. Okay, so based on that we can represent the different legendary polynomial, that is graphically. Okay, so usually the question will ask like this. Sometime you are asked to find which one represent p2 of x graph out of the given. So you may have given with different graphs. Okay, so that may be have like this and like this and like this, and you may have the graphs like this. Okay, so with a different name a, b, c, d. So p2 of x represented by, and you have 4 options a, b, c, d. Okay, so p2 of x, once you know this equation, okay, this is a must. You must know about this different polynomials equation to solve this. Okay, So from it is this p2 of x value, it is clear that it is a second degree polynomial. So its graph is a parabola. The only graph which is given like this parabola is this one. Okay, so you may represent the answer is D like that. Okay, now let us go to the graphical representation of this different Legendre polynomials. Okay, so here you can see this this is the graphical representation. So here I have taken the origin, right, and here I have different values, and you can see the parabola here. So I am marking the parabola here, right. So this is a parabola. Okay, okay, and which is representing that. So this line, this blue line is represented by this one. Okay, so p2 of x represented by, what is p2 of x? P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1, right. When x is equal to 0, what is p2 of 0? P2 of 0 is equal to, this is the axis which I am choosing. Okay, so p2 of 0, that is equal to, when x is equal to 0, that is minus 1 by 2. So if I am choosing x is equal to 0, let us check, this value will be minus 1 by 2. So that is minus 0.5, right. So that way you have to draw the graph. Okay, now what is p0x? Okay, we have studied p0 of x, that is equal to 1. Okay, that is a straight line. You can see a straight line here. Okay, this is a straight line at 1. Okay, so that represent p0 of x is equal to 1, right. Now what is p2 of x? P1 of x? P1 of x we have already seen, that is x. Okay, so if you draw a graph, what is p1 of 0? P1 of 0, P1 of 0 is, that is 0, right. Okay, P1 of 0, that is 0. So it is the graph which touching the origin. Okay, so this is the our 0 point. Okay, when x is equal to 0, then y also, this function is also 0. Okay, so it touches a straight line like this. Okay, so that also given. So similarly, based on the graphical nature of the graph, you can represent any function on the graph. Okay, any Legendre polynomial on the graph. Okay, but you have to by heart all the polynomial equation, so that already given here. So you have to by heart at least 3 polynomials value. Okay, p0, p1, p2 and p3. Okay, so it is very difficult to find from the Rodriguez formula. You can find this p0, p1 and p2, and above that it is very difficult to find from Rodriguez formula. We need to find out p3 of x, you need the third derivative of a complex function. To find p4 of x, you must need fourth derivative of a complex function. That all are time consuming. Okay, so better to by heart up to this 3, and situationally you can find out using our Rodriguez formula also. Okay, so this is all about this session. In the next session we will discuss about associated Legendre polynomial and 2-3 problem based on that. Okay, thank you.